Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect to Ubuntu with OAuth reverse proxy on VPS. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have access to a virtual private server running Ubuntu. Log into your VPS via SSH using your terminal or command prompt. Update your package list by running the command sudo apt update. Install the necessary packages for the OAuth reverse proxy using sudo apt install Nginx. Once installed, navigate to the Nginx configuration directory using cd/etc/nginx/sites available. Create a new configuration file for your reverse proxy using sudo nano your_domain.conf. Add the basic server block to the configuration file. In the server block, set the listen directive to port 80. Define the server underscore name to match your domain or IP address. Next, add the location block where you want to implement the OAuth authentication. Inside the location block, set up the proxy_pass directive to point to your application. Include the necessary headers for the proxy, such as proxy_set_header host $host. Next, save and exit the configuration file. Create a symbolic link to your configuration in the sites enabled directory using sudo lns/etc/nginx/sites available /your_domain.conf. Test your Nginx configuration with the command sudo nginxt. If the configuration is valid, reload Nginx to apply the changes using sudo system reload Nginx. Now, you need to set up the OAuth provider configuration. Create an OAuth application in your preferred provider's dashboard. Collect the client ID and client secret provided by the OAuth provider. In your Nginx configuration, add the necessary OAuth settings under the location block. Specify the OAuth authorization and token endpoints in the configuration. Set the required scopes as necessary for your application. Save and exit the configuration file again. Test the OAuth integration by accessing your domain in a web browser. Log in using the OAuth provider when prompted. Ensure that you are redirected back successfully to your application. Verify that the authentication works as expected. If everything is functioning properly, your Ubuntu server is now set up with OAuth reverse proxy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.